Hotel near Tate Modern. Located close to the London Eye and the Shard, Sea Containers London provides a terrace, dry cleaning/laundry services, and 2 bars. Treat yourself to a massage at the on-site spa. The on-site British cuisine restaurant, Sea Containers, offers breakfast, brunch, lunch, dinner, and al fresco dining. Stay connected with free in-room Wi-Fi, and guests can find other amenities, such as a gym. Other perks include buffet breakfast, surcharge, bike hire and self-parking, surcharge, express checkout, a 24-hour front desk, and 5 meeting rooms, a front desk safe, a porter/bellboy, and multilingual staff. Guest reviews say great things about the helpful staff and proximity to public transport. Room features. All 359 individually furnished rooms boast comforts, such as premium bedding and laptop-friendly workspaces, in addition to perks, such as air conditioning and dressing gowns. Guest reviews highly rate the cleanliness and size of rooms at the property.